We'll guide you through how to fix Steam won't log in even with the correct password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are, I'm trying to log into Steam and I'm finding that I'm getting this error. Please check your password and account name and try again. This problem's annoying because I'm sure I'm definitely using the right password here as it's from a password manager. So it's likely to be a problem with the account name. So what you need to do is make sure you're using your account name, not your email and not your profile name. If you've logged in on Steam on this computer before, press your file explorer at the bottom of your computer. Press disk PC to the left, scroll up or down to find it and come into local disk. Then program files x86, scroll down and we need to go and find Steam. Then go and find config, and in here you need to go and find config here. Right click on it, hover over open with and click on it. Then you can go and select notepad and select just once. Press edit and you can press find. Type in account like so and press enter. Then you can scroll down, you'll go and see the different accounts you've used to go and sign in, find the right account name for the account. Then what you can do is you can go and paste it in here or type it, press sign in, and we're in. If you're finding you're unable to find your Steam account name, what you can do is press help, I can't sign in. Then you need to go and press I forgot my Steam account name or password, enter in your email or phone number here, and you'll need to do the captcha. You can then get an email account verification code sent there. There'll be a button in the email. Then in here, you can go and find your account name and you can then go and use that and go and log in.